In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Behance dark mode. If you spend a lot of time browsing portfolios on Behance, switching to a darker interface can make the site more comfortable to look at, especially in the evening or in low-light environments. Since Behance does not always provide a built-in dark mode option in a way that's easy to access, a simple workaround is to use a browser extension that applies dark mode to websites for you. To get started, open Behance in your browser. Make sure the website is fully loaded so you can clearly see the current light appearance. This gives you a good before and after comparison once the dark mode is applied. If you already have Behance open in a tab, that's perfect. Just keep it available because you'll return to it in a moment. Next, go to the Chrome extensions area. You can do this by opening the Chrome Web Store, where browser extensions are available to search and install. This is the place where you can add tools that change how websites look or behave in your browser. Since we're using Chrome for this method, make sure you're signed into your browser if needed, and that extensions can be installed on your device. Once you're in the extension search area, click on the search bar and type Dark Reader. This is a popular extension that turns bright websites into a dark theme, and it's commonly used by people who want a more comfortable browsing experience. Be sure to spell the name correctly so you can find the right result quickly. When you see Dark Reader in the search results, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you want to install the extension. If that happens, just approve it and wait a few seconds while Chrome adds it to your browser. After installation, the extension usually begins working right away, although in some cases you may need to give it a moment to activate. Now head back to Behance and check the site again. You should see that the page has switched to a darker appearance. The background, menus, and other interface elements will typically be adjusted automatically by the extension. If the change doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the Behance tab once so the dark styling can fully load. And that's it. You've successfully made Behance dark mode using a Chrome extension. If you want, you can also open the extension later to fine-tune brightness, contrast, or toggle the effect on and off for specific websites.